So we're now going to do a bright little dance which is in the samba rhythm called Sizzlers Samba. Now we commence this dance in shadow hold, which is gentleman's left hand holding lady's left hand, and the gentleman places his right hand on the lady's right shoulder blade. Now for the first 4 bars, the lady and gent are both going to dance on the same foot. So we commence with our left foot and we're going to dance 2 walks and a lock step. So we've got walk, walk, step, lock, step. We repeat the action on the right foot. Walk, walk, step, lock, step. We now take a little step that's called botafogas. Now this is a basic movement that you just dance step to the side, replace. The first step is taken on the left foot across the right foot. So we're dancing cross, side, replace, cross, side, replace. So what we'll do is we'll put the walks and the locks and the botafogas all together. So we're on the left foot and we commence. Walk, walk, step, lock, step. Walk, walk, step, lock, step. Cross, side, replace, cross, side, replace. Now from here, the gentleman and the lady dance different steps. The gentleman is going to dance 2 side closes, turning to his left and moving down the line, while the lady dances a little volta turn, which again is cross, side, cross. This will put the lady to facing the gentleman. So we release the hold and the lady is turning to her left. So the gent's count is 1, 2 and the lady's count is 1 and 2. So both on the left foot we dance 1, 2. So we are now facing our partner. Gent dances his second side close now to his left, and the lady dances a side close to her right, side close. So if we just put that little bit together for you, just from where the lady dances her volta turn and the man dances his side close. So we're both on the left foot, we've got lady turns side close. So let's put that together from the beginning. So we're in our shadow hold, left foot both, walk. 1, 2, step, lock, step. 1, 2, now the little botafogas, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Lady turns side close. We now go into a movement that's called a whisk, which is side, cross behind, changing feet. Gentleman to the left, lady to the right. We dance 2 of these. Side, behind, side, behind. We're now going into little samba walks, which are like little rock actions. Gent on the left, lady on the right. We dance a forward one, a side one, and a forward one. Forward, walk, side, walk, forward, walk. Now, to finish the dance, we have a step with a point, turning to face our partner, step, point. Now, a little twisting action with a flick ending. Twist, twist, and we flick the gentleman's right foot, the lady's left foot behind. We will both now step forward and close, adopting our commencing position. Gent has closed without weight. So we'll now put all that together, the whole 16 bars of the Sizzlers Samba. So we're both on the left foot and we've got walk, walk, step, lock, step. Walk, walk, step, lock, step. Here's the botafogas. Now the ladies volta turn while the man is dancing side closes. The whisks. Now the 3 samba walks forward, side, forward. The step and point, the twist with the flick, step, close. Thank you.